Hello, everybody. Welcome to Thursday. The S&P 500 was down almost 0.8% today. Really, kind of similar things that we saw yesterday from the Federal Reserve. The vice chairman was speaking in an interview. Same comments, kind of higher for longer. It's the thing that we've been talking about. The bond market disagrees, but we'll see how that plays out. I had a couple of earnings reports today from Procter and Gamble and Alcoa. Both were subpar. Both came down some, so that kind of weighed on the market overall. After hours, though, Netflix reported their earnings, and they did really well, especially in the area of subscriber growth. They were supposed to have about 4.7 million new subscribers, ended up with 7.7 million new subscribers, and that stock's up almost 7% after hours. So I think that one of the things that we got to watch for in this earnings season is just the fact that expectations have been lowered enough where we might start to see some of these companies beating these expectations, keeping in mind that these companies are companies we know about. They're on the S&P 500. They're on these big indexes because they're really good and they run really well as a whole, and they're really good at managing their earnings. And so almost every time we've had a earnings session like we're heading into now, the market has been a bit volatile, but generally has had a little bit of an upward trend to it. So we'll see how that works out this time. Most people, if you look at the articles, are expecting companies to miss their expectations and to have poor guidance going forward, and that's what's going to bring this market down. So we'll see how that plays out. But I think that might be a little bit overblown. We'll find out. Now, the next couple of weeks are when we find out from the really big companies that we all know about, the Microsofts, the Apples, the Googles, and et cetera. These companies have a bigger impact on these indexes that we invest in because the indexes are weighted based on size of company. So the big ones have more impact. So we'll see how that plays out as far as that goes. We did see first-time unemployment claims come in better than expected today. The labor market continues to show strength, which I think is a good thing in this environment at this point too. So, let's see how this plays out. See how this Netflix, story plays out in terms of whether that has a positive impact on tomorrow's market because they announced after the market had closed today. So, altogether, this is the time frame we've been kind of waiting for to see how this is going to play out. And we'll find out, how much impact these increased costs and higher interest rates are really having on the overall business environment as far as that goes. So look forward to talking to you tomorrow. Of course, I have my show, Talk Money with Tom, live from 12:15 to 1. You can send in questions. I will start off that show with a summary of what I saw happening in the market for the week also. So if you'd like to join us, feel free. Otherwise, I'll talk to you tomorrow. Thank you.